Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video because today we are going to look at a beautiful face serum that is organic, it is all natural, and it's really going to fight those wrinkles, okay? So please continue watching, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, give me a thumbs down if you don't. Let me go get my baby quickly, and we're going to jump into this video right now. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you want to get equal parts of all of these beautiful essential oils. And as you can see, I get mine from Essentially Natural. Yeah, so you want to get them in the most natural state. This is cold press oil, and you're just going to use this dropper and add equal parts of each of these oils in here. There's another ingredient that I haven't listed in here, and that is I do add a little bit of cold processed castor oil. Not a lot, maybe just 10% of this recipe. Yeah, just to add a little bit of that because it also has wonderful health properties for your skin. I'm going in with a jojoba oil. Okay.